Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to look for a job using the Adzuna application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, click on Job Company Title, and just type in the job that you are interested in. And if you're ready, just click on Done, and then just click on City, Province, Zip Code, and just type in your location or wherever you want to find a job. So just click on Search, and as you can see, there are currently 103 cashier jobs available in London. So now you can just scroll down and find the most suitable one. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.